to become data analyst, then this is the right video for you. So in this video, I can tell about what are the skills required to become data analyst and resources and the schedule how to prepare and also data analyst salaries in India. This video is divided into four sections. So first one is skills. So to become data analyst, there are four skills you need to require. So first one is MS Excel and second one is SQL and the third one is Power BI and fourth one is Python. So the second section about is resources. So where to learn these skills? The first skill you need to focus on MS Excel. So MS Excel syllabus is like example formulas, tables, charts, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, merging data, Power Query, pivot tables, and the DAX. Like these more topics you need to focus on. So for learning these topics, so my recommended course for you is MS Excel by Simmons IT. So I told already in previous video also. So this courses is recommended for you. So in this course, you can learn about MS Excel like completely, like beginners and intermediate level and advanced level. Topics like data validation, advanced lookups, math functions, forecasting macros, VBA, and also the special about this course is it is especially made it for business analysts. Some topics is there in this, so you can focus on this course. The second skill you need to focus on is SQL. So in this SQL you need to focus on topics like DDL, DCM, DML, DCL, DQL commands like this, and also intermediate topics like data types, constraints, operators, joins like left, right, cross, self, natural joins, and also CTEs, subqueries, normalization, Windows functions, views, and also advanced topics like stored procedures, materialized views, and user-defined functions. So for learning SQL, my recommended course for you is created by TechFTQ. So in this you can get 30 hours of videos. So 100 SQL queries you can able to solve, and also it is very helpful for interview purposes. So this course is cost 2400. So you can learn SQL from this course. The next skill you need to focus on is Power BI. So in this you need to mainly focus on data visualization, data transform, data model, DIX and dashboard creation. So for learning Power BI, I can recommend this course for you. It is in Udemy. So this course is 30 hours length, created by Philip Burton. So in this you can it is divided into four sections. The first level is data visualization, and the second is data model, and sorry, data transform, and third one is data model, and fourth one is Power BI services. So you can learn Power BI very effectively from this course. Next, you need to focus on Python. So Python you need to learn normally for freshers it is basics enough. So for this learning Python, my recommendation course is this one, Marvin Analytics. So in this it is a 12 hours course. So for freshers, so this course is enough. Not advanced level topics are required. So in this topic you can see like variables, numeric data, strings, logic, loops, dictionaries, sets, functions, manipulating Excel sheets. So lot of thing is there. So this course is enough for initial level. Finally, there are two visualization tools. So one is Power BI and Tableau. So based on your convenience, you can choose any one. For learning Tableau, so you can focus this course. So it is created by Bara. He is very popular in YouTube. So this course is 25 hours length. So you can able to see. So basics is there, architecture is there. So data modeling and metadata, so organizing your data, filtering, sorting, so actions, calculations, charts, dashboards, and also two projects is there. So for learning a table, this is perfect course for you. There are two sections completed. So one is skills, and this second one is resources. So third one is schedule. So how we can prepare the skills? So the first one is, so in a week you need to allocate at least 25 hours. So then in that means in a month you can get 100 hours. So like that only you can complete this data analyst roadmap in 3 to 4 months. So the next slide is clear about how to prepare. So the first one is Excel. So you need to allocate 20 days, And for Excel, you can take 1 month. And for Power BI, so you can learn in 15 days. So after learning Excel, SQL, and Power BI, so you can start applying for interviews. So if we, then only you can get able to resolve what kind of questions coming in interviews. And after while applying interviews only, then you need to learn, like you can learn table, Python, and also can learn like Microsoft Fabric, like that. So keep on practicing after that. So for learning Microsoft table, I already told you can go for with Bara. And for Microsoft Fabric, you can learn from Philip Burton. And also you can learn AWS. So it is very good for you to learn cloud. So you can learn Ultimate AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. So it will boost your interview skills compared to other candidates. The final section is salaries. So the data analyst salaries in India can range for freshers for 0 to 1 years. So it can get between 4 lakhs to 6 lakh per annum. And for 2 to 4 years experience can get between 6 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. So and for 4 to 5 years experience, so can get between 8 lakh to 13 lakh per annum. And for more years experience, you can get greater than 15 lakhs, so like that. So good luck. So start our journey as a data analyst and become one of the high paying salary job.